at maganda na pagkuhanan natin ng ehemplo kung papaano mabuhay ng may pag-asa ang buhay ni na San Pedro at San Pablo. And maybe during this year, we have been faced with the many faces or the many ways how it is to live in hope. Pero hayaan po nating turuan tayo ni na San Pedro at San Pablo na mabuhay ng pag-asa, mabuhay sa pag-asa sa pamamagitan ng isang buhay na hindi sumusuko. A hopeful person does not give up. A hopeful person lives within him that sense of courage in the face of trials to still continue. Kaya nga sinasabi natin, ang isang taong may pag-asa, hindi sumusuko. When St. Peter lived his ministry, after the Lord ascended to the heavens, Peter and Paul faced the highest time of persecutions. Bago ang pananampalatayang ito sa lahat ng mga tao. At nakakaramdama ang mga tao sa paligid na, nako, itong pananampalatayang ito, madali tayong madali nito. Those instructing the faith were really brilliant in their words. They were inspiring people through their charity and all. At nakita nga po natin that the fruit of their labors were not really consolations, but persecutions.